Generative AI is an amazing tool, and it definitely fails in a few different ways. These are 3 practical use cases I found for the world of food and restaurant photography using generative AI in Photoshop. Number 1, content aware but better. You still have to touch it up, and even though it messes up the hands, you have better look with a partially obstructed hand, like in this James Beard platform photo of Lion City Coffee. Frequently, I have to remove my feet from photos, and this got me a little bit further than content aware did, but ultimately produced a very similar result. This version is content aware. This version is generative AI pre-touch-up. Number 2, adding shadows. Shadows are one thing I can never do well in Photoshop, and this got it on the first try. Number 3, filling negative spaces. If you're working with a restaurant who didn't spend 5 months picking out every where and detail of their service, then you can use generative AI to fill in negative space where your composition is off. I had to try this 6 times to get a decent looking wine glass and use really specific verbiage. The issue with using generative AI for restaurants and food photography is that most restaurants have spent 6 months to a year picking out their wares and designing their menus and styling their food, and they're hiring photographers and videographers to capture that as it is.